Did this come in the mail today? I know what it is because I ordered it, but I'm pretty excited. This says medium mod. So that is part of this thing. Oh joy, a new mini disc. What is in the box? Uh-oh, I broke it already. USB. Okay. Adventure kit. Interesting.
Are we going on an adventure?
Looks like it. What we have here are an extra rechargeable battery. What I have ordered is the Hero 9 Black GoPro. So now, sometimes when my hands need to be free for doing videos and some action shots maybe, this will be ideal for that. So I'm really excited. Now,
Make it a chicken can.
yeah, it's like Christmas. Now I just have to figure out how to use the thing. So that'll be up next.
Okay.
Well, trying out this GoPro camera for the first time using a hat clip. Hands free, headed out to the barn, get the animals fed. I hear the donkey, he's hungry all the time. Alexa said it was supposed to be sunny today with a high of 60. Right now, there's a light mist and extremely cloudy. So Alexa's not keeping up with our weather as well as she should. Alright, let's see. We also have a new batch of chicks for the Trinity Haymarket. Let's check on those guys this morning. But first, let's feed him so he'll be quiet. Hello, girls. Hello. Good morning. Everybody's out looking for breakfast this morning. Yeah, I hear you already. I hear you. Poor old mule. All right. Now we have the alarm system turned off. What are you ladies doing? You trying to get some bits of horse feed? All right, we better check on the Trinity Haymarket birds, the pullets we raised for them. Just got a new batch yesterday. Had one died yesterday afternoon. Let's see. Hopefully we have everybody okay. Yep. Looks like everybody is all right. This one, oh, there is one more that has died. I'll come back and get that out in just a little bit. They got plenty of food and water. So maybe it's the cold. I don't know, because it's our temperature in there is not warm enough, but the heat lamp's on. Of course, the heat lamp's not next to the light, so that might be a little uneven or inadequate. So let's go throw our soaked seeds out to our hens and see how that goes. Kind of nice not having to worry about a camera getting wet too. Oops, I forgot to drain the water off of this. I'm going to drain the water out of this for the soaked seeds. We got plans today to do some transplanting. A lot of some seeds started in our soil blocks. And some of those need to be potted up already. Some of them need to be planted in the field, in the market garden. So we'll see how far we get today. I do need to go and get some of the mix that we use to pot them. We have plenty of seed starting mix, but I don't have what I want to get them potted up to the next stage. So there's the first flock. They are waiting for their breakfast. There's the second flock. They're waiting for their breakfast too. Turn off the fence so I don't get a zap. I didn't quite finish everything from yesterday, but go ahead and feed them anyway. Save a little bit for the other coop. This is just kind of the morning routine. We come out and feed animals and check on everybody. Make them ready for the day. We filled their waters yesterday. And then once that's all done, we'll get these seeds ready to soak for tomorrow again. Sometimes I'll leave these fences off during the day so they can get a good charge if the sun ever decides to come out today. Got some hens following me all around. So, where's my breakfast? And some of them are really good foragers, man. They're out here all over the field all day long. And sometimes they just hang around and beg. Feed me, feed me. So, these ones that are loose, those are our older hens that typically, hello fellas, what you doing hiding down there? We typically use them to keep insect population down when the weather's hotter, but in the winter, chickens are actually pretty good at taking care of mice, keeping that under control. So as long as they can catch it, they'll eat it. A little bit of apple cider vinegar in our seeds that we soak every day. Be interesting to see how our first video using this new camera comes out. It's a little heavy on this hat. I even had to tighten the hat up a little bit, but hopefully the camera. But also I bought the kit that has the head strap and stuff in it. It may work better than the putting this on the brim of my hat. So we'll find out which one works the best and start learning how to use this thing and make some good videos for you. And that is the morning routine, except I'm going to go ahead and throw some feed out to these guys. Well, it looks like they have plenty in their trough, but they still seem to want something to scratch on out here, so we'll give them a little bit of this layer pellets or scratch grain. Sorry, that's not scratch grain, that is layer feed. So, well, hopefully the mist clears up and we get a pretty day today, so we can do some work in the greenhouse and get some plants started. Oh, look at this guy. This big old crane flying right at me. Look at him. That's crazy. Right over. Pretty bird. I got a pond next door and a couple of ponds around our area, so we see them from time to time. Well, that's the morning routine. I'm heading in to get some breakfast and move on with the day.